Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn off UI navigation in Roblox. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. Imagine you're playing Roblox and you are about to do something, like you're so excited to run, to jump, to go to the right, to go to the left, and anywhere, but then again, you're stuck. Okay, you can't move, and your character can't move, even his hands, his feet, his head, because you're stuck. So that means UI navigation is enabled. Now the question is, how are we going to turn this one off? How to turn off UI navigation? All you have to do is to press escape, ESC, or simply tap this one to go to your settings. So as you can see, my character is stuck. Okay, so now go to your settings. And then here you just have to look for help. And then as you can see here, you just have to go to help. You can tap escape or tap this one and then go to help. So you just have to tap the symbol in order to turn off UI navigation in Roblox. So you just have to go back to your game and then tap the slash, backslash, and then try to move your character. And you will see that you can now move and you're not stuck anymore. And that's how you turn off UI navigation in Roblox. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.